Happy Trails MTB, and we're at the top of Reddish Knob. We're not going just yet, bud. The dog's excited. And for all intents and purposes, we are at the top of the world. No. Pretty outrageous. Here we are with the trail kid. She's a little cold, but we're gonna warm up as soon as we get into the woods. Excellent job! Hey! Shift like one easier. All right, here we go into the rhododendrons. I think that's what this is. As we come up on the monster rock garden. Okay, I'll be back in a minute. Go. And of course, with the Evo, I have never once in my life done that garden. And the stump jumper Evo makes it happen. Just control your speed. Remember, it gets a little steep. Go, Maverick, go. Careful, boo. Yeah, she's flying. God damn. GoPro. Unfortunately, what happens next is not good. We started another descent, a bunch of baby heads, and Reagan eventually got out of shape and landed on her shoulder hard. So you'll hear me reference that a few times in the video. I was not recording when it happened, so I didn't get it. She toughed it out, did an awesome job finishing the ride, but has since been diagnosed with a very, very minor fracture of her left humerus. So we got to take it easy for the next 4 weeks. And when she is ready to come back, we got this guy here with some chest, back, and shoulder protection. So hopefully that'll carry us through the rest of the season. Enjoy. Let's go slow down here though. Nice control. That's more like it. Excellent. Alright, so since we've done a little bit of descent, it's warmed right back up. It's always very chilly at the top of Reddish. Her shoulder's pretty sore after that crash, so we're going to take it easy. I'll be interested to look at the footage. I think what happened was she's just too fast for too long and she just kind of got out of shape. Did you feel that? All right, here we are. Oh, the sign got knocked down, but Reddish to Wolf Ridge. So now we're gonna jump on Wolf Ridge. A couple more punchy climbs, but boy, oh boy, then it turns into fun, doesn't it, Reagan? Yep. Normally I would push her to ride a little bit more of that, although this thing she's coming up right now is pretty damn steep. And because her shoulder's pretty sore from where we just crashed, I'm encouraging her to keep mellow. Keep mellow. Great. We're coming up on the Lynn Trail intersection. For those of you that ride SM100, you're familiar with that death march. Speak of the devil, it's the Lynn Trail. Keep going. Trooper, man. She's got a sore shoulder. She hit the deck hard. Hopefully I got that on video. And so we're certainly riding a little timid, and that's fine. I kind of encourage that at this point. See if you can power up this thing. This would be impressive. You're in the perfect gear. Here you go. Just keep motoring up. Excellent. Oh, she's going for it. She's going for this climb. My goodness. My goodness. You all right? Still on Wolf Ridge, and I think we're entering the super fun roller coaster section. And it is a blast. Yep, that's totally what we're entering. As soon as you get the opportunity, I want you to shift one easier. Hey, Pop. Ew. Good save. Rider up. How's it going?
Good. How y'all doing?
Great. Mav, you got to get out of the way, pal.
Oh, man, I'm still going straight forward. I got to get downhill. Awesome. You guys enjoy the rest of the ride.
Thank you. You do the same.
I'm going to delayer.
All right, the child took off, so now I got to see if I can catch her. Hopefully not find her in a ditch somewhere. That's right. Awesome sauce. I think we're mostly done with the rocky parts of the Wolf Ridge descent, and now we're on this like pine straw covered flow. So it's just like magic carpet. It is glorious.
That dog's always cheating. All right. We're like basically at the bottom of Wolf Ridge, and we're expecting job. There's a stream crossing right here, and sure enough, that is a raging river. My goodness. Oh, look at the boy. Take a break, buddy.
That must hurt.
Here we are again, 16 miles an hour. Been running 16 miles an hour for a mile. Something like 15 miles in, so woo-wee. Well, this is fun. We're nearing the end of our ride, and we hooked up with a big group. Yeah. Nice. GoPro stopper. Well, just about 17 miles in. My recollection is 900 and something feet of climbing. Reagan had a pretty bad crash early on, as you saw. I think as you saw. And she toughed it out. And oh no, I have the Stokesville 60K tomorrow, so I gotta do another 38 miles tomorrow. Only tomorrow I have like, I don't know, I think it's 4,000 feet of climbing maybe? It's a lot. So this is looking like a deluxe camping weekend for us. As always, stay rowdy, my friends.